Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy chicken Caesar salad. First, let's prepare our chicken. Marinate 2 chicken breasts for at least 30 minutes to infuse them with flavor. Cook them until their internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, let the chicken rest for 5 minutes before slicing it into 1/2-inch strips. This ensures juicy, tender chicken for your salad. Next, let's get those croutons ready. Toss about 2 cups of bread cubes with a tablespoon of olive oil and your favorite seasonings. Bake them until they are golden brown and perfectly crispy. For the greens, select fresh romaine lettuce. Wash and thoroughly dry it to maintain its crisp texture. Then, simply tear or chop the lettuce into bite-sized pieces, preparing it for the dressing. Now for the star of the show, the creamy Caesar dressing. In a bowl, whisk together 1 egg yolk, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of olive oil while continuously whisking. This emulsifies the dressing, making it rich and smooth. Once combined, gently toss your prepared lettuce with this delicious dressing. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Arrange the perfectly cooked, sliced chicken and the crispy croutons over the dressed romaine lettuce. For an authentic touch, generously grate fresh Parmesan cheese over the entire salad. This adds a wonderful salty, umami flavor. Serve your chicken Caesar salad immediately to enjoy its incredible textures and fresh, vibrant taste. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.